Mastering the art of a paper reading using AI tools. Introduction to paper reading. So, reading research papers can be daunting. AI can help by summarizing papers, extracting key information, and suggesting related work. There are some challenges of paper reading. For instance, there's a very difficult technical language, and it can be difficult to understand certain words and terms in a research paper. It can be time consuming to sift through large amounts of information. Identifying key points and relevant information can also be daunting while reading a research paper. So the idea here is there are a number of different AI tools available for reading research papers. When choosing an AI tool, it's important to consider the following factors: the type of research paper you want to read, because some AI tools are better suited for reading certain types of research papers, while others are not. Your needs. What do you need from an AI tool? Do you need a tool that can generate a summary of a research paper, or do you want your research questions answered? Your budget. Some AI tools are free to use, while others require a subscription. Use the AI tool to generate a summary of the research paper. There are tools like explainpaper.com are available online, which you can use to generate a summary of the research paper, and this will help you understand the research paper better without having to read the entire research paper. Another advantage of using an AI tool is that you can use an AI tool to answer your questions about the research paper. Once you have a brief understanding of the research paper, you can use an AI tool to answer research questions. This will help you give a better understanding of the research paper. Use the AI tool to translate the research paper into another language. For instance, if your native language is Arabic, you can translate a research paper in English to Arabic, and you can use an AI tool to translate a paper into another language. This will help you access research papers from all over the world. You should also remember to be critical of the results. The idea is to go to explainpaper.com and check out the ACE AI tool that is one of the fastest ways to read research papers. You can just upload a research paper, highlight some of the confusing text, and get an explanation. So let's try it out. So this is a free tool available and does not charge you with anything as well. So you just need to have a Gmail account to sign up for this AI tool. The very first thing I have done is that I have signed up through my Gmail account, and then once I have signed up, the next step would be to upload a research paper. The research paper that I am currently going to drop here is about ChatGPT in specific and natural language processing, because I have some confusions and some questions about the research paper that I cannot understand. So you can either upload a PDF or you can also upload a URL as well. In this case, I will be uploading a PDF and then I will begin reading. So the way this tool is used is that you would highlight some part of the research paper. On the left hand side, you can see your research paper. Let's just wait a bit. On the left hand side, you will see the research paper pop up. You will highlight some part of the research paper and you will then click on the explain button on the top right side, which will result in a brief explanation about what that. Let's say I want to understand the title of this research paper, so I will just highlight the title and click on the explain button. It will give us a brief summary about what the title is about. The title usually contains some important keywords which will give us an idea about what the research paper is about. Then we can also go over the abstract. So you don't have to go through the whole research paper. The idea is to skim through the important parts of the research paper and quickly have a understanding of the research paper. Let's just highlight the abstract, and then I'm highlighting the abstract, and I then click on the explain button, and it will give us a brief summary of what the abstract is about. And in a similar way, you can highlight other parts of the research paper using this tool, and it will give you a brief explanation of what that part of research paper is about. So you can see that in this way you can understand a research paper in just a few minutes.